This project began because the current HVAC equipment is the original equipment. This time we've been maintaining the equipment, and Kent Payne, the facility manager for the middle school, has done an outstanding job keeping the equipment running over the course of time, but eventually everything wears out.
I'm Brent Minton. I've lived in the community my entire life. I was born in Salem, went to Salem schools, came back, worked for Salem schools before I went to the Wilson Education Center. We provide services to our schools that include professional development and then also procurement. We always say they can purchase anything from a pencil all the way up to a turf football field. We had a school that said we need some HVAC and we want Trane. We would love to bring you on as a vendor. We have schools looking for HVAC all the time. We just need another vendor, and we would really like to have Trane on. And so that started the conversation. We then put out the RFP. I worked with Josh.
My name is Josh Bernhardt. I'm an account manager. Salem Middle School had 20 to 30 rooftop units that were well over 20 years old. So they were past their useful life cycle, starting to see a lot of repair costs. They were in need of replacement. And so they came to us to ask us to provide them a solution to replace all those rooftop units, including the equipment, all the installation labor, such as rigging, electrical, sheet metal, all the piping that comes associated with that. So we provided that to the school as a turnkey solution.
When I first started here in 2003, Trane was here and had been here for several years prior to that. And so just overall, the years of reliability, dependability of the equipment, the service, level of service, just when something's good, you stick with it. It's been a good experience, and we appreciate the support from Trane.
As the person or the entity responsible for everything in the project, they basically come to Trane and they say, hey Trane, I need this, and then Trane provides them a full solution to do just that. Trane's turnkey process is the easy button for our customers.